this. Hey, I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording.
What are you recording?
Just doing something. I'm tracing something. I'm in mobile. That's when the tracing. Staying silent. Hey, I'm recording.
Our girl cousins are here. What do you want? And I'm done doing my assignment here. Here's your ball pen and ball pen.
Where's my other ball pen?
Right? Right? I give it to you.
I will leave the other ball pen for mommy. That mommy gave me.
I give it to you.
What do you mean I didn't give it to you? Oh, it's here.
Nah, you just forgot to give it to you.
Oh my gosh.
This one.
Ah, finally.
My,
Oh.
Can I eat my one tinapay?
Kaya tayo?
Okay.
Sabihin mo kay Ate Siri, init na wala. Eh, dakanin.
Okay.
use my
Yep.
phone first.
Oh. I don't mind about that.
Oops. There. 1% from my phone.
What?
What the heck? I guess I was doing my assignment. So duper lang. I get to charge it very quickly now before it starts to get. It was actually 1%. My goodness. Okay, I'm gonna watch TV first. The Batman on Minecraft TV. Cap! Ate Bianca. Ate Bianca.
What?
You say to your mom cap. The mom gets angry. You say the other cap. The cap. Get it? Cap. Oh, oh,
Number 2. Number 2. Number 3. 29 ba to?
And now, Engineer
Di ba nasagot na natin to sa papel?
No, we need to sagot that from. We need to sagot it because that is the assignment, right?
7 plus ano to? Sa assembly ito. 7 plus 7 plus 6 plus 1. Asa yung E? Kulang ka lang? Kulang ka ng E. Lagay mo na dito plus 1. Kaya magiging ano sagot? 30. Diba? Ito, tignan ko to. A, B, C, D, E, F. Asa yung A? A, B, C, D, E, F. 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. 4 plus 4 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. Plus 1 is 14. Plus 9 is 23. Plus 5 is kulang na naman. Number 4. 8 plus P plus C. Asan ang 8? 10 plus 6 plus 8. Asan yung 8? Nawala 8. Ha? 8 to, di ba?
Yeah.
Asan yung 8? 10 plus 6 plus 8. Plus 2 plus 2 plus 4. Ano ba to? 4? 4, di ba? Oh, missing na naman. Oh, ito pa. Asan yung A? Asan yung A? Kung may isa kayo, nasa A. A? Asan ba A dyan? F pala yun. So A. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Oh. So A. 4 plus 5 plus 5 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1.
No, that's 12.
Kaya sa yung F. H na yung 12 eh. Plus 8 plus 12 ulit.
Yeah.
Ang dalawa ba ang 12?
12.
Ah, 12 ba yan?
Yeah.
Ah, 12 pala yun. Okay. 9, 14, 16, 18, 20, 30, 38, 39, 40. Ito ba? 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 5 is 14 plus 2 is 16 plus 2 is 18 plus 2 is 20 plus 10 is 30 38, 39, 40, 50. 5, 10, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 30, 32, 40, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 30, 40, 30.
I
Mali
just
lahat.
counted it, but
2, 3, 4, 5 is wrong. All.
Oh, man. Diyan ka. Mag-usasan. For the goodness of God.
I'm just looking at the computer.
Hit me na dito ako sa kabila. Ikaw dito.
A, B, C, D, E, F. Six, two, three,
Number yan.
three.
2. Okay na 1. Tama yan. Number 2 na tayo. 2, 3, 4, 5 lang.
What's the mali from number 2?
Check it. Kulang yan. Tignan mo. A. Asan yung A mo? May A ka ba? O, A, 7. May 7 ka doon. Asan yung B? B is 7. Mayroon ka bang B? O, tignan mo. C is 6. Mayroon ka bang 6? Okay.